Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 9th English medium subject maths chapter number 6 exercise number 6.1 question number 1. In first question given figure, this type of figure can be given. So when you can watch this video, so you can compulsory take which maths textbooks to refer question. So remember that instruction for next all video. In the figure AB and CD intersect at point O. These two lines are intersect at point O, and AOC, measurement of angle AOC plus measurement of angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Then find BOE and COE reflex of angle COE. So first find BOE. BOE. This angle can be find, and reflex of COE. COE. This angle reflex angle. It means all these parts is known as reflex of this angle. Given detail are AOC plus BOE. Addition of these two angle are given 70 degree. And another angle. Which another angle? BOD. BOD. So BOD is equal to 40 degree. Therefore here vertical opposite angle. Therefore this two angle will be equal. So is also 40 degree. Now AOC plus, so start with question. AOC is equal to angle BOD. BOD and AOC, which type of angle? Vertically opposite angle. Therefore both have a equal. So angle AOC is equal to 40 degree because BOD is equal to given 40 degree. Now AOC plus BOE is equal to 40 degree, 70 degree. Another equation is given. AOC plus BOE is equal to 70. But we know that this value are found now. BOE is equal to 70 degree. This angle will be side change. Therefore angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. So answer is equal to 30. Therefore we get BOE is equal to 30 degree. So here BOE find. Now in same, once again using same equation, AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now AOC is equal to another angle BOD. So in place of AOC we can use BOD plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now this angle can be seen in figure. BOD, it means this angle, and BOE, this means this angle. So addition of these two angle is given EOD. EOD. Because adjacent angle. So we know that BOD plus BOE is equal to which angle? Whole angle. EOD. Reason is adjacent angle. Therefore angle EOD, this two angle addition is 70 degree. Therefore whole angle is 70 degree. Which angle are given? Whole angle. Now find BOE. So BOE we get here 30 degree. So first part complete. Now this calculation for second part. Second part is COE, reflex of COE in these two angle. Which angle? Here we can draw figure also here. Now COED. Here we can find EOD. It means whole angle is equal to 70 degree. So this angle are which created? Straight line angle. So COD is a straight line angle. Straight line angle means what? Addition of these two parts is 180. Adjacent angle, which adjacent angle? EOD plus this angle COE is equal to 180. In place of COD we can 70 plus COE is equal to 180. Therefore COE is equal to 180 minus 70. So COD we can find 180 minus 70, so 1110. COE is equal to 1110. Now reflex of COE, we can find angle, reflex angle of COE. It means 360 minus angle 360 minus COE. So 360 minus 1110, therefore 250 are our answer of these two angle. Or another way, another option, reflex of angle COE means what? So addition of COA, addition of COD plus these two angle, it means 180 plus this 70 angle is also can use. So in many way can find. Now question number 2. In question number 2, given figure, question number 2, first line are given. So line is X and Y. Next another line are passes through this, intersect at point O, and this line are M and N, and here 90 degree created, so is denoted by P. This part can be A, this is given B, and this part can be given C, and O is here middle. Now in question, angle POY is equal to 90 degree, A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3, then find C. So start with answer. Here pair of linear angle what? POX plus POY is equal to 180. POX plus POY is equal to 180. In mean POY is equal to, in means here it means 90 degree given, so another is also 90 degree. POX, POY, in place of POY we can put 90 degree, therefore 180. So we get angle POX is equal to 90 degree. How? 180 minus 90, so answer is 90 degree. Now adjacent angle of POX. POX. So POX means what? Addition of these two part. POM plus angle MOX. It means both value A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So one equation can be created by using this term, A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. Now A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. So addition of this means what? 3 plus 2, 5. So we get value of A means what? So out of A is 2, out of total y 5, and this angle is what, 90 degree. So after calculation we get 60 degree. In similar way b means 3 out of 5, and addition of this angle is out of 90, therefore answer is cancel out and then 54. Now angle B and C, which type of angle? Straight line angle, therefore pair of linear angle, which angle? Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. In place of angle B we put 54, then angle C is equal to 180. Therefore angle C is equal to 126, because 54, 180 minus 54, so answer is 126. So in this way we have to solve this question. Thank you friends.